Hello everyone, welcome back to my new vlogs. We are in Barcelona during Christmas time and it is a very special experience to visit Barcelona during this time. In this video we are going to walk around La Rambla street and Placa de Catalunya. We are at La Rambla street. It is fully decorated with lights and street is full of stalls and peoples. La Rambla is a well-known street in central Barcelona. A tree-lined pedestrian street stretches for 1.2 km, connecting the Placa de Catalunya in its center with Columbus Monument at the Porte de Barcelona. Enjoy the view of this beautiful area in Barcelona during Christmas time. This street is very popular for tourists and famous for its local Spanish foods and shopping avenues. During Christmas time, most of the streets are glowing with decorations and lights. Thanks for watching. Please watch my upcoming videos more about Barcelona. Bye.